Are you sleepy? Are you so sleepy?
Do you want some pizza?
Are you hungry?
He stopped snoring. Oh, there we go.
Were you up late? Out carousing? How's it going, Thor? You're gonna get a bath today.
Definitely knows how to hold a note.
Maybe we should have named you Snore.
What do you think, Thor? He's tired.
Are you tired?
You still recording?
Okay, sweet dreams.